So what had we learned in the previous session? We had learned how to convert a fraction or decimal into percentage. And what we had done, we had multiplied this fraction as well as decimal by 100. We had multiplied it by 100 in order to obtain our result in percentage. So we shall be doing the same thing. Nothing is different. Here in number 11, okay, when we come to number 11, what we find that they have given us to express fraction into percentage. So here we have 3 2 by 5, 3 2 by 5 as percentage. So what is special about this? Nothing is special. So 3 2 by 5, at first you need to convert this into improper fraction. So 5 3 times 15 plus 2, isn't it? 3 2 by 5, if you have forgotten it, it will be 3 times 5 times 3, just keep on rotating it, okay, plus 2 divided by 5 will give you 17 by 5. Now this 17 by 5 should be multiplied, this 17 by 5 should be multiplied by 100 in order to give you your solution in percentage. So 5 how many times? 5 2 times 10, isn't it? 5 2 times 10 will give you how much? Is equal to 340 percentage. Oh my God, 340 percentage. Now you shouldn't get panic over here that how you got 340%, because here you can see the fraction here is greater than 1. So naturally you will get a value more than 100. Similarly, you have a number, for example 0.0075, and you need to change this into percentage, and once again what to be done is 0.0075 should be multiplied by 100 to give you your value in percentage. So now when you multiply a decimal with 100 or 2 zeros, what happens that on cancelling these two, the decimal moves towards your right hand side, because since you are multiplying a value, naturally the original value, the value of the original number will increase. Therefore the decimal will move from its place towards the right hand side. I had cancelled 2 0, therefore it moved to 2 places. So here we get 0.75%. Do you think that it is something tough? It's not. Let's come to number 3. And here in number 3 what we have? 3:20 as percentage. Okay, so 3:20 means what? 3:20 means 3 by 20, and low. Here you have got a fraction. Now how to convert this fraction into percentage, my dear? by multiplying it by 100. Next, you know what to be done is to do some cancellation work. 20 5 times will give you 3 into 5 is equal to 15 percentage. Okay, nothing. We shouldn't get panic whenever any problem is given. Try to observe it carefully what they are asking. Okay, when we come to the fourth one, they say that 60 centimeter as percent of 1 meter 25 centimeter. We had done this kind of problems before where we had converted this into simple ratio, isn't it? We had converted this into simple ratio, 60 centimeter and 1 meter 25 centimeter. So let's convert them into simple ratio. 60 centimeter, isn't it? 60 centimeter by 1 meter 25 centimeter. Now, in order to get a fraction, in order to get a pure fraction, the unit should be cancelled. So in order to cancel the unit, we have to convert both the numerator as well as the denominator into one particular unit. So here we have 60 centimeter by 125 centimeter. Now you might be worried how. So here comes your how, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 meter plus 25 centimeter will give you 125 centimeter. So there's nothing special here. So let's cancel this centimeter and centimeter. So we get 60 by 125. You can also cancel this, but why not to do our calculation over here? 60 by 125, we are expressing this into percentage. Remember, we are expressing this into percentage. So we will multiply this by 100. So on multiplying this by 100, our next step, is cancellation. 25 5 times, 25 4 times. Again we have 5 12 times. So 12 4s are 48 percentage. Okay, don't you think that you people are enjoying this? Next we have 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours as a percent of 4, as a percent of 4 days. Okay, percent of 4 days. So naturally you should know this, that 1 day is equal to how much? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Let's convert this into simple ratio. So 9 by 9 hours by 4 days will give you 9 hours by 4 days. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Therefore 4 days will be equal to 4 into 24 hours. So here we have 4 into 24 will give you 96 hours. Okay. Next is our cancellation part. This unit, similar unit should be removed. Now let's convert this into what? Into percentage. So 9 by 96 multiplied by 100 will give you how much? So let's multiply. Let's cancel it. So 4 how many times? Should I cancel this by 3? 3 times, 3 times, and 3 2 times. Again 4 8 times, and 4 25 times. So 25 threes are 75 by 8%. And finally you can convert this as 9 3 by 8. 9 3 9 8 are 72. 9 3 by 8 percentage. So it is as simple as anything. Okay, we have two more simple problems. I said simple, very simple, but they are something different. See, whenever you get a different question number, naturally they will give you something different to learn. Okay, and here we have find 2% of 2 hours 30 minutes. So 2% of this much. So 2% actually means what? So here 2% means 2 out of 100. 2% means 2 out of 100. Therefore 2 out of 100 of 2 hours 30 minutes, of 2 hours 30 minutes, which need to be converted this into minutes. The smaller unit, 2 hours and 30 minutes, let us convert this into minutes, because here we have hour and here we have minute. Minute is a smaller unit, therefore hours can be easily converted to minute. And you know better that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So now our calculation, according to our calculation, this what 2 hour will give you. 2 hour will give you how much? So 2 hours will give you 60 into 2 is equal to 120 minutes. So 120 minute plus 30 minute will give you 150 minutes. So 2 by 100 of 150 minutes, isn't it? 150 minutes will give you how much? Let's cancel it. So 2 5 times and 5 3 times will give you 3 minutes. Done. Next, number 2, I would say that this is very important. In fact, very important. Okay, why? Because what they have asked is what percent of 12 kg is 725 gram. What percent? So they are here asking you directly that what percent. Find the percent. They are not finding the percentage. What percent of 12 kg is 725 gram? So I do not know this data. So I will keep this as X percent. Let me keep this as X percent. So X percent of 12 kg, this is my result. This is my result. So I am going to write this in simple format as X percent of 12 kg is equal to 725 gram. Now I am able to do it. I will be able to do it. So X percent means what? So X percent means X by 100 of 12 kg will be equal to 725 gram. Okay, this means 12 into x, 12x by 100 kg. Okay, this means that 12 multiplied by x is equal to 12x by 100 will be equal to, sorry, kg is here, is equal to 725 gram. Therefore, this x will be equal to 725 gram divided by 12. This 12 will come down, isn't it? 12 will come down, 12 kg will come down, and 100 will be multiplied over here. Okay? Once again, when I will be finding the value of x, then I have to transpose this 12 by 100 kg onto the other side. So the numerator over here will come here and the denominator will go on the top. Okay? So on cancellation, so when we cancel this, let's cancel this. Okay? So 725 gram by 12 kg, 725 gram by 12 kg multiplied by 100 will give you how much? Will give you 725 gram. We have to convert this kg into gram, and you know that 1 kg is equal to 1000, isn't it? Is equal to how much? Is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, 12 kg will give you 12,000 gram. So I'll write 12,000 gm multiplied by 100. Now we need to cancel this. Why? Because we do not need any unit. Let's cancel it further. This 20 will go, this 20 will go, and then finally it will give you 725 by 120. Shall we cancel little more? So when we cancel this, percentage, okay, percentage, because we are multiplying it by 100. Let's cancel more. So on cancelling more, what am I going to get is 5, 2 times, 4 times, and 5, 145. This will give you 7, 145 by 24 percentage. When you will be converting this into mixed fraction, it will give you 6, 1 by 24 percentage. I hope up till here everything was clear. Okay, next will be your exercise 8b. If you do have any problem, please revise it again. And as I said, this is very important. Therefore, it shouldn't be. You should revise it again and again.